Hi everyone, I am back again with a very powerful statement today, which says, love me the most when I deserve the least, because that is the time I need it the most. Generally, we associate the term love with the term attachment. If you love someone, you will have to be attached to that person. This is the kind of thinking process going on into our minds for years. If that person is happy, you are happy. If he's sad, you are sad. If he's into any kind of pain, you should also feel the same kind of pain. And if he's radiating any kind of low frequency energy, you're again doing the same thing. So, what is it doing? Is it solving anything? No, it is only multiplying the negativity, making him more powerless and giving him the feeling of poor me. Now, this is one condition in love where you start behaving the way your partner wants to behave. There is another condition in which there are various kinds of relationships, like a mother or a child, or maybe siblings, husband, wife, or your relation with your in laws. There is love, there is anger, there is fight, and there are disagreements also. You stop talking for hours or maybe days. And do you know what is the reason behind it? A single reason. Because you want the person to act in the way you like and not the way he wants to be. Or maybe if you dislike anything, you don't want that person to do that thing, even if he likes. So, what does it requires? It actually requires a very deep understanding. And yes, it is possible. We have two techniques through which we can love a person unconditionally and remove all the conditions. The first thing is detachment. Detachment does not mean being away with that person. You just need to detach yourself from the emotions of that person. If that person is going through any low mood or any low kind of energy flowing into that person, you don't need to behave in the same way. In fact, you can radiate more power, more love, and more support to that person. Not agreeing to him. In fact, behaving in the way or thinking in the way or acting in the way you want or you think is right. And thus supporting him and bringing him out of that situation. Now, this is one thing, detachment. And the other thing is, the other technique is, you accept the person as he is and do not force him to act or behave in a certain kind of way in which he doesn't want. Leave him in the way he is, trust and surrender. Then you will see gradually that person will stop getting affected by you, or you will stop getting affected with that person. And because all the conditions are away, there are no conditions, so we are free to act in the way we want to act. So believe me, friends, if there is love with conditions, there is only pain. And if you want to love a person unconditionally, then be ready with open wings to be free and fly like a free bird. Yes, if you want to love a person, love unconditionally. This is not going to only set you free, it's going to set the person's mind free also. And they're developing and being in a very happy and harmonious relation. Yes, we all can love unconditionally. And friends, if you liked my video, do like and comment. And yes, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.